once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right there, we're going to do some stir-fried beef with oyster sauce and eggplants. Super easy, absolutely delicious. Let's get on with it. Okay, so I want to get started on our beef first, get it underway, because we need to kind of get it nice and tender. So I've got some beef strips there, that kind of shape, you know, nice and thin. We've got some black pepper, we've got some garlic and ginger sliced nice and chunky. We're going to get this started with a touch of oil, and then I'll show you the rest of the ingredients. Here we are then. So I've got a wok with some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil and I'm getting that nice and hot. We're first going to drop in our garlic and ginger. That black pepper. And our beef. Now, what we want to do now is keep this on a nice high heat, stir fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes, then we'll get on to the next step. So we've got some nice colour on the beef, obviously not cooked all the way through. Now the next step is we're going to add some water to help tenderise it. If you're confident that you've got incredibly tender, amazing beef, you won't need to do this, but generally what I do, and we're going to do it right now, let's get in some cold water, it's like a mug of water, keep it on a high heat. Now what we want that to do is come to a boil, keep the lid off, stir in every now and then. We want to reduce that water out, we want it to evaporate. That's really going to help tenderise this beef. I mean, this beef isn't, you know, really bad, but this would definitely make it really nice and tender. So bring it to the boil, let it steam out. We don't need to get it completely dry. It should take about 5 to 6 minutes. So as you can see, that water's really reduced down, and that's really helped tenderise the beef. This quality of beef that I'm using, like I say, is not terrible, but if I was to just fry that, add the vegetables, it's going to be really tough and not good. So this process always, I find, really helps. Okay, let's move on. We're now going to get some sliced onions in there. You don't have to put these in, but I've got some chili. What I've done is I've just cut them down a little bit, down the middle, opens them out. If you want, take the seeds out, or you don't even have to do it, quite frankly. You can just do it without the chili. I just like a little bit of spice. So we're remaining on this high heat all the time now. This whole thing's going to happen on the highest heat you have. We're now going to get in our eggplant, and I've kind of cut mine into kind of sticks, which are quite similar shape to the beef, if you remember. Okay, 3 to 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time now, high heat all the way. So you may have noticed that I've not added any salt to this, and that's because we're going to have 3 ingredients now, all of which are salty. Here's our first 2. So this is soy, very salty. This is oyster sauce, very salty. And about equal amounts. We're then going to add some fish sauce, about half the amount. You don't want too much of this because this really is salty. So you've definitely got all of your salt levels covered. No need to add extra. Really simply, 3 to 4 minutes now, stirring it all the time, and this is done. Okay, so there she goes. Super steaming from the wok. Now if you wanted, you could add some green onions on the top, some sesame seeds, something like that. But that's a really beautiful, simple beef and eggplant stir fry with oyster sauce. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.